For billions of years, Earth has traveled through space in perfect balance. A small blue world, protected by a delicate combination of forces that allowed life to exist. But what would happen if one of those forces suddenly changed? What if Mars entered Earth's orbit? At first, humanity would not see it as a disaster. The arrival of another planet would become the greatest astronomical event in human history. A world that was once millions of kilometers away would now be our closest neighbor. For people on Earth, the first reaction would be wonder. Across the planet, millions would look into the sky and see Mars brighter and larger than ever before. But behind this incredible sight was a dangerous reality. The first signs would appear on Earth itself. Gravity would begin disturbing our planet's delicate systems. The oceans and atmosphere would start responding to a new cosmic influence. The sky that humanity had always known would be transformed forever. Scientists around the world would desperately try to understand what was happening. Every satellite, telescope, and computer model would be focused on one question: could Earth survive this encounter? But astronomers would begin noticing something terrifying. The beauty of this event was hiding a much greater danger. Cities around the world would stop. People would gather to watch the red planet shining above them. For a brief moment, humanity would forget its differences and look at the same sky together. But the distance between the two worlds was disappearing. Spacecraft would be forced to abandon the area as conditions became unpredictable. The Earth we knew would begin changing. The gravitational forces between two planets would reshape our environment in ways impossible to control. A beautiful new era would slowly become a fight for survival. And then came the moment humanity feared the most. Two worlds, once separated by millions of kilometers, were finally touching.
The world would watch the final moments through unstable signals and emergency broadcasts. There would be nothing left to stop what was coming.
Earth and Mars were never meant to meet. The collision would mark the end of the world we knew. But in the universe, even the greatest worlds are only temporary.